Hi, this is Onna, and this is Check It at the Round Table, where we discuss movies, books, music, and stuff. Today we are discussing bike helmets. Yes, peeps, this is my bike helmet for my e-bike. Beastie is the name of the bike. He's black. He looks like the dragon from How to Tame Your Dragon, which is my spirit animal. But anyway, this is my bike helmet. As you can see, the stickers are pretty worn. I got this helmet used off of Facebook. I did just recently replace the visor because it was all scratched, and I don't wear this to be cool, although it does look really cool. Probably because I'm sick of getting bugs and dirt and stuff in my eyes when I bike. But the stickers, I got these off of Wired magazine when I ordered my subscription the other year, but they're looking sad. So I'm replacing them with these new Eclipse stickers from Bananakama shop, which you can listen to my podcast on them. It's a couple before this. It's funny because when I was at the grocery store the other day, I had this guy stop me, and he seemed like a very nice fellow, but I'm like, I don't know what he's like, I think there's something offensive on your helmet. And I'm going, there's a girl chemist, there's Wired magazine, there's a robo dog, there's WW and a planet. And if you look, there's a skull here because I couldn't get it off from the previous owner. And there's a I don't chase boys, I pass them sticker because I couldn't get it off. And I found it kind of funny because I'm riding an e-bike, so of course everyone's passing me. But anyway, I'm like, there's nothing particularly offensive about any of my stickers. So I'm not exactly sure what your problem is, but please, I'm going, sir. So anyway, so I'm going to replace these stickers with new ones before my trip, because this is going with me. And I'm so excited because today I finally got my suitcase below 20 kilograms. It's not way below 20 kilograms, but it is below 20 kilograms. I'm like, thank goodness. So anyway, but these have been nice stickers. I have liked them a lot. But I've also worn this helmet a lot, and it's looking a little bedraggled. So, I love the girl chemist, but she's got to go too, because she's also looking sad. It always reminds me of Amy Farrah Fowler. Okay, here we are. I do get waterproof stickers if I can, because that way I know they're not going to just come off in the rain. Okay. So then we're going to take off the W sticker. Life of me cannot figure out what he is. But anyway, I'm like, maybe you have a problem with science. I don't know. Maybe scientist women intimidate you. I don't know. I really don't. Okay, so we've got those removed. Okay. Now, I'll take off my helmet. Now, I am bringing this helmet with me because they have said online that it is very hard to get a helmet when you go to danger. So I'm like, you know what? I'm bringing my own. Okay, I'm going to put the eye sticker over the skull. Instead of death, we're going to have something optimistic. Eclipse. Okay, let's see if I can put the sticker on with any degree of alacrity, precision, and quickness. I love that word. Just need to dry it more. Again, okay. I think these are waterproof stickers. I'm not entirely sure, but we're going to go with there. There is my eye sticker.